Well, here comes the northbound coming. Looks like an intermodal train. Here comes the Autorack. We got BNSF with Intermodal. It's on track 2. That's number 6. That's 6 trains right there. That's round number 6. That's the intermodal. And watch these gates go up, you all. And there goes the gates. And watch the lights go off. And the lights are out, you all. And thanks for watching this, you all. I might say another one in a little bit. If I don't, I want y'all have a good evening and God bless. Bye, Conductor Shannon.